Tracking accounts payable and accounts receivable, keeping tabs on cash flow, and being ready for tax time are all important for your small business. But let's be honest, handling your bookkeeping and accounting using Excel spreadsheets isn't ideal. At best, it's time-consuming, and at worst, it's frustrating and unreliable. Hi everyone, this is Morgan from 9 to 5 Software. In this tutorial, we will check out some of the best accounting software for bookkeepers and answer your most asked questions. You can find links to all the apps and services we talk about in the description. So, without further ado, let's get started. Intuit QuickBooks Online is used by thousands of small businesses, and for good reason. This cloud-based software has a robust set of features that can be easily accessed online or through its mobile app. QuickBooks Online is a widely recognizable package that most clients already used or are aware of. In small business bookkeeping, it has been a trusted name for many years. It offers many subscription tiers and has a low monthly cost, which adds value to any small business. Its impactful reporting functions, endless settings, automatic bank transaction import, and personalization options make it an ultimate choice for small business bookkeeping. Using this software, you can also level up to higher tiers as your business grows for additional monthly subscription costs. Hence, you can easily scale this software in accordance with your business growth. For additional costs, it also provides payment processing services and payroll services, which ultimately makes it a one-stop solution for all business requirements. Accountants can become a member of the QuickBooks Pro Advisor network, through which small business owners can find a trusted local advisor for free. At no additional cost, QuickBooks also makes it incredibly simple for business owners to share company access with their accountants. QuickBooks Online is a great start if you want to streamline your bookkeeping and accounting. If you're a freelancer or a service business that doesn't need inventory management or payroll-related features, Wave Accounting may be a good option. You can access Wave's free accounting software online or on the mobile app and give your accountant easy access to your reports at year-end. Compared to other accounting software, Wave Accounting is relatively unknown, but I think that it does not receive the amount of attention it deserves, as it is one of the best in the market. The main selling point for this software is its price tag. It is absolutely free. Though not as powerful as QuickBooks Online, it provides similar reporting functions and has an automatic bank transaction import function. Another similar feature is that you can add payroll and payment processing as an optional add-on. Wave also has a Wave Pro network for bookkeepers and accountants to join. Wave offers a nice balance for those who want to keep accounting costs low while still having access to additional features if needed. If you need a simpler way to create and keep up with what seems like 1,000,001 invoices, Freshbooks may be the tool for you. It offers a greater level of customization than most other accounting software, and it requires little to no experience to use. This is yet another old-time bookkeeping program that is sure to do the job it is meant to do. It is also the chief competitor for QuickBooks. The least expensive Freshbooks package starts at $12.95 per month, a little less if you pay in bulk or annually. Once payment is made, you get unlimited access to invoices, and you can manage up to 5 clients at once. They also offer you unlimited email and phone support and the ability to accept credit cards too. Freshbooks also offers a select plan with specialized features, including a dedicated account manager, but you'll have to request a demo if interested. In any case, one of its other 3 paid plans should be a fit for your business needs. Bookkeeping and accounting can be frustrating enough if you're not a pro. Learning how to use complicated accounting software on top of that is most likely not your ideal solution. Thankfully, Xero is a simple, straightforward online accounting software with enough functionality to accommodate a small business at any stage of growth. Where QuickBooks started its journey with the desktop version, Xero has always been cloud first. Xero is the first choice for Mac users who cannot find what they are looking for in QuickBooks for Windows. At no extra cost, Xero includes 24/7 live chat support and provides more than 600 integrations, making it easier for the business owners to manage inventory, invoicing, and much more. The standout feature of Xero is the ability to track money and time spent on specific projects, and it lets you manage the same effectively. Its simplicity and scalability make it one of the best online accounting software options available. Sage Business Cloud Accounting, like the others we've mentioned, is cloud-based accounting software that doesn't require any accounting knowledge to use. In fact, it recommends the best accounting solutions based on your industry, company size, and unique business needs. While this tool is designed for small business owners that need to add team members, it also works well for self-employed individuals with or without employees. And it works for a wide range of industries, so you can use Sage Accounting whether you're a service-based or product-based business.